Hello, my name is Roland Enz, and I'm with Enzo's Online.com. And welcome to Enzo's Backyard. Today we're going to be cooking a seafood stew. Now, 2 weeks ago we did a seafood boil, so we're just going to continue that trend, and we're going to do a stew this week. We have friends coming over, so we're going to try out our recipe, and I hope that you enjoy it. It's simple, and you follow a few steps, and it comes together quite easily. Now, I do have the recipe online, and also I've been thinking about making all our recipes that we're putting together on 4x9 cards and into a package, and they should be available for free online, and all you have to do at that time that we have them on is to go through like a purchase, but there's no purchase necessary, and they'll be mailed to you free of charge. So let's just get started. We're going to do the sauce first, and we're going to let it simmer for 20 minutes, and by then we should have guests, and we'll add our fish, our mussels, and our shrimp into the sauce. And so let's get started. We're going to start with preparing our onions and our garlic. Now, to start, we're going to use 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we have a cup and a half of chopped onions. Let's just let them cook a little while and get some color in, and then we're going to add our garlic. We're going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic, but you have to be careful with garlic and that you don't burn it. So let's watch our onions and our garlic. But I'll put the garlic in as the onions start to turn. Now our onions are translucent, and we're going to add our garlic, and we're going to watch our garlic and just to make sure that it doesn't burn, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. We'll just keep things moving so we don't create any charcoal in our sauce. Well, it's starting to smell a little bit like Italy here, and as they say, everybody wants to be Italian, and today we're going to be part of that movement. Now we're going to add our parsley, and we're going to let that cook for about 1 minute. Get that all put together. I should make mention we have about 2/3 of a cup of parsley. Oh, this is coming together nice. Now we're going to start adding our cherry tomatoes, which we've got cut up, and it's about 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Oh, look at this. Starting to look pretty. we're going to add 8 ounces of clam juice. And 1/2 cup of dry white wine. I should have taken a sip of that before I poured it in, shouldn't I? Well, here we go. Bring this back up to a simmer. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Enzo's All Things Mediterranean seasoning, which is available on our website, and all our products are there. I think we've got 5 seasonings that we're presently selling, and we've got a fabulous barbecue apron that'll make you the star of your next barbecue. Now we're going to let that simmer for about 20 minutes, and in 20 minutes we'll be right back. We'll start adding our ingredients, and like we discovered 2 weeks ago when we were doing the fish boil, it's important that you add the ingredients in a particular manner, and so that the ones that take the longest time to cook go in first, and the ones that take the least time to cook go in last. We'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, we're back after 20 minutes, and we're going to start with our mussels, and we're going to let them cook for about 5 minutes before we put the rest of our meat in. So we'll let those cook for 5 minutes. Now at this time we're going to add the shrimp and the fish to our stew pot. And we're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. Well, we've let our stew cook for an additional 5 minutes, and we're going to open it up and see what we have. And our next step will be plating it, and it'll be on the table. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit.